Hello everybody, and welcome to another SSL install video. Today, we're going to be doing a Linux install on an Ubuntu server that's running Apache. There are two different types of Apache that you will run into, and they are Apache 2 and HTTPD. Apache 2 is found on Ubuntu, and HTTPD is going to be found on RHEL or Fedora versions of Linux, and you'll usually see these on Amazon. We also won't generally see a user interface like what we see here, so we're going to go ahead and do our install using PuTTY the way we would with a customer. I have our SSH session open here, and since we know this is Apache 2, let's go ahead and find our config file. We can do that with sudo apache 2 ctl space -S. As you see here, we have our config file. The reason the config file is important is because this is going to tell us where our certificate and private key are located. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and highlight it, and with PuTTY you can hold down Control, right click to copy, and then to open that file we'll use nano. Type in nano, do a right click to paste in, and we'll hit enter. Next we'll scroll down and find where our certificate and private key are located. We'll highlight that, Control, right click and copy, and I'm going to paste that into a notepad for reference. So our certificate is ssltest.crt, our private key is ssltest.key, and they are located in etc/ssl/ssltest. We're going to go ahead and navigate to this so that we can see our private key and certificate. Back in our terminal window, we'll close out of nano, and we'll navigate to the folder. Let's list the directory contents with ls, and there's our two files. So in order to get our new certificate and private key, we'll have to rename these because we want them to be the exact same name, our new ones, as what is in our config file. So we'll go ahead and rename. We'll use MV and then the file name. Space, the new file name. Do the same thing with the certificate. And then we'll check our files. As you see, our files have been renamed, and we can create our new private key and certificate, or CSR. On our Bask Answer Desk page, we have our open CSR generators for OpenSSL. I've filled this out. We're going to generate that and copy. Go back to our terminal. We're already in the folder with the private key, so we're going to paste that in. We'll list our directory again, and as you see, we have a ssltest.csr, ssltest.key. We're going to open up our CSR so we can copy it and paste it on GoDaddy. We'll do that with cat, C-A-T, and the file name. This will let us highlight this information. And we'll hold Control and copy that and go to our GoDaddy page. We're going to paste in our CSR, add the change, submit all changes. We're going to go to our My Certificates page and wait for this to refresh. Our certificate has been issued, so we're going to click into it and we will download. We're going to extract our files. And open our certificate with a text editor or notepad. And we'll copy the contents and return to our terminal. Now we're going to create the certificate with nano and the certificate name, which was SSL test.crt. And we'll paste this in, make sure the format is correct. And as you see, we have our new CSR here, or our CSR, our key, and our SSL test.crt. Now we're going to restart Apache. With sudo apache 2 ctl restart. We'll go back to our page here. And as you can see, we are now secured. Thanks for watching.